Hi there, you're in love with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Mail call today, just a few quick things, shouldn't take very long. While I think of it, I am the fixer-upperer. My silly job title for today is the fixer-upperer, that's me. Um, uh, yeah, so we're just going to go through some of the tools and equipments and bits and pieces that I got recently over here on the bench, and then we'll wrap up, shouldn't take too long. Here on the bench. Now, I thought the first thing we might look at is this. I didn't actually order it online for a change. I actually bought something at the store. I was up at the hardware shop, the local hardware store, still in business, which is great. And I got myself some extra solvent stuff, things for the lab. What I already have is soapy water, bleach, vinegar, disinfectant, orange power, acetone, ethanol, isopropyl, and glugon. But what I didn't have was Turps and Metho. So I'm going to be adding Turps and Metho to my lineup of solvents on the solvents bench in the little spray bottles that I use. These are the spray bottles. So we're going to have one for Turps and we're going to have one for Metho. I do happen to have a funnel, a little funnel here. So why don't we just time lapse this and we'll get that done. All right. So that was the Turps done. Just a bit worried about that cap's not on quite. Push down, close tightly. All right. So just showing you here, I've now got a spray can full of Turps and a spray can full of Metho. I'm not sure if the rest of the world calls Metho Metho and calls Turps Turps. I don't know. Turps is of course properly mineral turpentine, and Metho is of course properly methylated spirits. So I'm going to add these to the collection of solvents on the bench. I'll do that now. All right, so that Turps and that Metho has been filed away. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 solvents plus 2 deoxits. Maybe you count them as well. Now, the other two things that I grabbed while I was at the hardware were the 38mm plastic scraper and the 25mm 25mm flexible scraper. This one's metallic and this one's plastic, and they're both just for scraping. So if I can, I'll salvage those stickers if they'll come off. This one came off, that's good. There we go. And I'll put them in my scrapbook if I can. That one came off too, great. Probably have to tape them down. That's a bit low on adhesive there. And is this going to come off? I don't know. Yeah, it's going to come off. Oh, no, it's a bit torn. See if we can get it on the other side. Suppose you don't want to see this. I'll fast forward this. All right, so I got the stickers off. I'll file that in the scrapbook later. We'll do that at the very end. Now, this is my goo gone. It's in a little squeeze bottle here. This stuff's great. It's for getting off sticker gum. And there was a bunch of sticker gum on the back of this thing. So I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of the old goo gone. And then give it a bit of a scrubbity-dub-dub with the Q-tip. Or what do we call them in Australia? We don't call them Q-tips. I think I'm turning American. My Aussie friends will be upset with me. So, yeah, just giving that a bit of a clean up there. That's the old sticker goo off the 38mm plastic scraper. Very good. All right, well, I'll just I'll put this stuff away and we'll get on with the next thing. Thought I might throw you over here for a bit. This plastic scraper can just go in here. That's fine. This one, I was thinking I might hang it up the back here. I don't know if you can see down there, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'll do that now, and I'll report in when it's done. All right, well, you can't see it, but it's over there on the thing. It's hanging where it lives now, so that's good. Now, there was just a couple of other bits and pieces to get through, so let's see what else has arrived. What do we got? Okay, so this is just another precision screwdriver kit. How am I going to get into that? I think it might just peel off. Got to get myself a big proper knife, like a Australian. What do you reckon? I don't know. So yeah, there won't be much to see here. I'll just chop out my little label for the scrapbook. You know, I've got an air quality meter up the back of the bench here, and when I was working with that Turpentine and Metho earlier, it went from the green through the yellow into the orange. Didn't hit the red, but yeah, it actually sensed poor air quality because of the fumes. Isn't that fascinating? So you can probably tell this is just a hex spanner set thing. What is it called? Hexagonal wrench. Oh, that's good. And the back bit is that standard hexagonal thing, which is excellent. That'll fit on my oh, there's one too many. They're giving me one too many. This is 3. Oh, it's in inches. Or is it? Oh, yeah, I've got millimeters and inches. There you go. Oh, I see. Okay. So, is that 5? It is 5 and 5.5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 10 and 12. Okay. And this is 3/16, and then hard to get a read on that one. Quarter probably. 9/32, 5/16, 11/32. Now we're looking for 3/8. This is not 3/8. What is this? This is 7/16. That goes right there. This says 11/32. That must be there. Okay, and then this 3/8. All right, so not sure how I got that wrong, but there we go. So I've got a set of hexagonal wrenches in imperial and metric. There you go, called the power nut. I'm a bit of a power nut myself. All right, so I'll file that later on. Did we want to have a quick look in here? This is the mini precision screwdriver. It's yeah, that's good. It'd be good if they. Oh yeah, they've labelled them. So on the back there, you can see what they are, which is good. Great. All right, I'll put those in the same drawer. Now this is just a little ratchet thingy. So we'll see if we can get in there. Just chop that off. There we go. So it's got a square bit on this side and a hexagonal bit on this side. Perfect. And of course that hexagonal bit will fit my hex screws. Great. And then ratchet goes both ways. Can't complain about that. Wonderful. All right, now what have we got here? Ear cleaning tool. Is that right? I don't know if I need to clean my ears. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. I probably just thought this was a nice looking spudger, which is probably why I got it. Have a look at it in just a second. I'm just cutting off the bit for the scrapbook. All right. Let's see what we're dealing with. Doesn't want to come undone. Oh, there he goes. Oh, wow. Yeah, well, I can see why I got those. These are great. Huh. For ear cleaning, you reckon? Madness. But these are great looking little instruments. Excellent. I'm very happy with those. So if I need to scratch something out or scoop something out, I don't know how you use this particular one with the spring on it. That's very interesting. All right. I'll put them over there. I don't think I'm going to need this. What am I going to do with this? I'll just put it in the second drawer. And nearly there. Just, okay, we've got some sort of a SATA to USB adapter. Let's have a look at that. Yep. Okay. So it's just SATA to USB. There you go. And what is in here? Some sort of a, oh, it's a little hammer. Great. Look at that. Ripper. So there we go. Nice little hammer. Great. And I think that is everything. So what I'm going to do now is just do the scrapbooking. So we'll do that fast. All right. So I managed to get my scrapbooking done. And now the only thing that remains to be done is to pop over to the farewell cam and wrap up. That's a wrap. So my favorite thing today, I think, was those hexagonal wrenches. Those are good to have. And the least interesting thing today, I think, was the precision screwdrivers. Not because they're not good. They are good. I'm very happy to have them. The thing is, I've already sort of got plenty of screwdrivers, so I didn't really need a whole extra set, but I got one anyway. So yeah, I think that's about it. And of course, I didn't order the Turps and the Metho online, nor those scrapers. They were actual just dead set hardware store purchases. Anyway, that's it. Just some new equipment for the lab. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.